Okay, welcome to the little bird. It's going to turn on the weaponry. Okay. So this is the quick little mission for this new little bird mod. We're going to go over to that plume of smoke over there, destroy something, and come back. Problem is, there are enemies all over these rooftops. The mission has some flare, which is playing right now, but for the purposes of this quick video, for this quick mission, I'm just going to head out. So boot a bit of left, rudder, back on the collective, turn away. See you later cows, see you later sheep. This mission will be uploaded to user files shortly. And yeah, let's head out. We're going to have to go low and fast here. Let's see if we can bait a little bit of tracer fire to prove there are enemies in the vicinity. Yep, that confirmed. Let's dip in here. It's only a fast little mission, so you could fly high and get over there, I suppose, but the idea of this is to practice your low-level urban flight. And it's pretty fun zipping through all of these gaps, especially if you're in VR, which I am. Tracer's coming left. Oh, that's not good. More Tracer's gonna head low again. No, I'm gonna head for that plume of smoke and I'll get more information on the target. There's a little gap. Yeah. When you play the mission yourself, you can, go through all these streets really low if you want to. It's a lot more fun that way, and you will likely crash if you're not a great player. I am not a great player, so this is probably the 5th time I've recorded this video. Okay, 3 suffocating cars, 2 trucks moving east to west on the road between the burning building and the mosque to the north. North is that way. There's the mosque. Mosque and burning building spotted. So in between those two there's a road, so let's head that way. One of these roads. It's the back street. There's a road. Right, vehicle spotted. The center one is a PKM. That's dangerous. It's probably fire us soon. Got him. Lost visual near that. Right, there's the second delivery truck, so let's go around and finish it up. Stay in between these buildings there. Might use guns for this one. Getting a bit high here, so hopefully I won't regret that. Right, visual. There he is. Secondary, so stay clear of that. Okay, smoke has been popped to the southwest. That is our target for egress. There it is. So let's stay low, because apparently the hornet's nest has been kicked up. I'm recording this video as a one-shot, so I'm not going to edit that out. The hospital's quite hot, apparently. Yep, confirmed. So I'm going to try to stay clear. I missed my turn there. Oh god, I almost get hit. So. Oh, I am failing my own mission here. I mean, we're still up, if janky. So, good for us. Bit exposed here, don't mind this. Vehicle on the hill over there. Hopefully it doesn't see us. Oh, traces. Through this gap. Oh, that must have been close. Alright, I've lost my bearings now. I need to find that green smoke. Get a bit higher to find it. There it is. Can we mount it? Taking more shots. This little bit is shaking. Okay, enemy fast movers are heading for the FOB. Hopefully our Humvees over there can sort that out. Because this is shaking violently. Yeah, we're good. This thing can land. Start bringing down the collective now. There's a bit of the speed. Sorry, sheep. They must be used to it. Alright, let's head over. That'll do. There we go. Hopefully that wasn't too violently sick-inducing shaking.